Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about how to handle for drop-down values. For this, I'm going to take this particular application. Okay, and here is my particular drop-down. Okay, and here we have for the ID we can able to take and we can able to do it. Okay, now I'm going to creating a new file tc05 and I'm using for drop-down dot rb. RB is a Ruby. Okay. Now, first we need to import our water and then required RS specs and then including that matches whether it is visible or not. Okay. Now we are initializing the browsers. Okay. And then we are going to navigating in the browser. This is my URL. Okay. And making for maximizing the window and this is a maximizing. Okay, now we are going to identify by using for our ID. Okay, for this we can able to go ahead and see this is my ID. Okay, and I'm going to use for my drop down. Okay, drop down and browser and skills. Okay, I'm not going to do for present and all. Okay, verify either drop down value is selected using visible text. Okay, now I'm going to use for by using the visible text. Okay, first I can able to select one value I'll mention and here is drop down dot select value. Okay, my select value is become Android. Okay, this is Android. I'm going to take this my Android. Okay, and now this particular Android whether I can able to display in the console or not. Okay, first I'm going to show you this and then we are going to do for selected values and those all the things. Yeah, text is the main not main method because it is not returning any value. Instead of this we can do one more and here we can use for drop down dot a selected selected underscore options dot of first. Okay, this will give you for that exact value whether it will be presented or not. Yeah, Android it is selected value. Okay, this particular value it will provide you the first value which is selected. Okay, but this is we are going to use for assertion. Okay, I'll use for expect and this is my assertion. Okay, and if it is selected value and whether that particular value are matched or not. In case maybe we'll get it one more question whether that is you given a common value because of that it is done. If I gives for APIs also it will work. Okay, APIs and here you need to use for APIs. Okay, this is basically using for visible text. Okay, by using for visible text we are using, see now here also APIs it is there. Okay, and we have another thing which is we can able to use for by using for selected by using for value. Okay, this particular method auto suggestion it will provide you but it will not work, sometimes it will work, sometimes it will not work. Okay, instead of that, we have for selected options. Okay, there is a method called options. Okay, and that inside that we need to use for find element. Okay, find, and this is the case we can able to use. Okay, options to pipe symbol options, that option dot value API, and then you can select. Already API is selected. If you select the same one, it will be not good, right? And I'm going to use for apps. Oh, sorry. And here we are going to use for Android one. Okay, this Android will help you to understand. Okay, now even if you want to do some assertion, that again you can able to use the assertion as well. Okay, and now again I'm going to do first it will select for APIs. I'll give you some sleep 2 seconds, and after this also I'll give for sleep 2 seconds. Okay, then we can able to see whether it is selected perfect or not. Okay, first APS 2 seconds it is waiting. Now Android is selected, right? Like this we can able to do. Okay, and even we can able to select by using for index position. Okay, index position also it will take. This option also it will not work out as expected. Okay, now we have to use for options and two unselected. Okay, which is the selected one we can able to see into our console location. Okay, see adopt photos it is provided. Okay, here also you can able to use for exceptions like what you are going to expected and all you can able to provide it. Okay, and ours is basically this Photoshop, and we can able to provide this Photoshop. Automatically it will get pass. Okay, and these are the normal all the places, right? Even we can able to use for loop cases. By using the for loop and with some condition also we can able to test. Okay, I'm going to use for loop, and we'll use for use it for loop. Okay, now I'm going to use for here drop down dot options. Okay, and we have for each loop. Okay, and then we are going to use for do, and then pipe symbols and options. Okay, and this is my first one, and then we need to use to print all my options. Okay, now this is help you to print all the things, and option dot select, if option dot select double equal to c plus plus, that will help you to exact value. If that particular case is presented, then it will select you. Okay, but you can able to write that is also perfect. Okay, both the cases perfect. Sorry, second one I'll tell you that as well. Okay, if you use this also it will work out. Okay, first we'll see whether it will selected with the C++, and instead of that we can see whether it is C++. Yes, C++ it is there. Okay, now I'll save this one and you can run it. Okay, this is the one option dot select space if option dot text is equal to C++. If it is there, then automatically it will select it. Okay, it is take too long time. The APIs, Android, and Adobe Photoshop, and then C++. Okay, and it will close. Now we saw this is the one option, right? Another option also there. Okay, we can use for drop down dot options, and this is the if condition. Okay, this is also it will work out for as expected. Okay, if you use for C++, again it will waste, right? Then I'm going to use for XML. Okay, saving. Now this is like a if condition, and here also if condition. Okay, both the places if condition. Option select after inside that if condition we provided, but before that it is provided that value. Okay, now if I run again, APIs, Android, Adobe, C++, XML. Okay, like this you can able to select as well. Okay, this is a for each loop we are using for each loop, and then we are identify and we are selecting with the condition. Okay, I hope it this entire information for you. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.